Welcome back to Better Kansas City. Now, good things come to those who wait and those who marinate.
That's right.
Get it? Mohamed Bataineh from Queen Sweets and Bakery Mediterranean Grill is here to show us around the grill for lamb shawarma sandwich. Now, I didn't know what shawarma was until it was the deleted scenes from the Avengers movie when all of the superheroes were at a New York hotspot eating shawarma sandwiches. So that's kind of what brought it into my world. How did shawarma get introduced to you?
Well, Bill, shawarma is a very famous sandwich actually in the Middle East countries and part of Turkey. It's typically a meat sandwich.
Yeah.
You can use, of course, lamb here or beef or chicken. You can, of course, the spices are Mediterranean spices. You can use, of course, the pita bread or any kind of bread you like, tortillas, if you will, or baguette, or even a French roll.
Okay. So you've already got some meat cooking here. So is that lamb that you've got on the grill?
Yeah, Bill, you know, we got some lamb cooking right here. So we're gonna go ahead and make the sandwich. It's really easy to make, and even it's you can use a portable grill.
Yeah.
It's more convenient for the mom at home. And it's easy to sample, and it falls between savory and fast food sandwich.
Yeah, definitely. No, it looks really easy to make. You got everything lined up here already. Now, real quick, before you get the meat off there, did you already season that with your spices before you put it on, or do you really work to season the meat after we get it off the grill before we put it on the sandwich?
No, Bill, this has been marinated for 24 hours. Of course, we use salt, pepper, cardamom, garlic cloves, virgin olive oil, paprika, cloves, turmeric, and some of the vinegar and parsley for garnish. Okay. So we marinate all the spices with the meat, and we set it in the fridge for 24 hours to absorb the flavor. Okay. And we'll go from there. Cool.
So you make the marinade. It sits in the marinade for a little while, then we get to cook it here. How long does it take to make the sandwich once we have everything marinated together? Is just assembling it afterwards?
Of course, small, a couple of minutes. Okay. It's very easy to make. Okay. Very mobile.
Awesome. Well, now I know, real quick, we do have some viewers that maybe might have, you know, a vegetarian tendency. Can we make it without meat too?
Yeah, Bill, of course you can use any vegetable for your preference, or even portobello mushroom. It works very well.
No, wait, you had somebody on the show yesterday who used jackfruit to make something. That would be probably a great substitute for it as well. So.
Yes, sir. There is a vegetable shawarma out there, so it's a new trend as well for the shawarma nowadays. All
right, Mohamed. Well, I've smelled everything, and I think we need to start making a sandwich now. So what do we got to do to get started here? Pull some meat off the grill.
All right, Bill. So we got our meat cooked already, and of course you can cook it to medium or medium well, whatever you like. All right. So we're gonna put all the meat.
I always wondered how you opened a pita. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I open a pita at home, I always tend to rip it in the wrong spot, and then I feel like I destroyed the whole thing. Is that just me?
All right, Bill. I mean, the most easy way to do it is just.
Well, see, I never used a knife. I just used my fingers. So that's probably part of the problem. There you go.
All right, so we're gonna line the meat on the back, and we're gonna use tahini sauce. The tahini sauce is made of tahini sauce is made of tahini, and with some fresh lemon juice, parsley, and we mix it in the blender. Okay. And you have it. Of course, this goes well with the lamb. And if you prefer to use a chicken, you have to use garlic aioli, which is garlic, mayo, and salt and pepper. And we'll go from there. Of course, we're going to add some tomatoes afterward, and we're going to add some pickles, and we're going to add some onions with sumac. It's more like a.
Are those just regular normal dill pickles, or are those a special pickle?
They are special pickles. They're called Parisian pickles or Middle Eastern pickles. Okay. Or of course, you can use your
just regular pickles, so whatever you have in the fridge.
Yes, sir, absolutely. And after that, of course, we take it like that, and we put it on the grill.
Just press it a little bit in the grill?
Maybe like 20 seconds or so. Okay. And we're going to prepare our paper right here.
All right. You guys, I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty excited about this.
And of course, it smells so good, so you just roll it up like that.
All right. So this is the shawarma sandwich.
Yes, sir. And here we go. And of course, you can have a bite.
All right, you
go try it.
It's only going to sit on that plate for a minute because I'm going to start eating it now. Mohamed, thank you for being here. I can't wait to try this. Belinda, over to you. And it's time for me to eat.
That looks so good.